In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up LinkedIn credentials in n8n. If you're looking to integrate LinkedIn into your n8n workflow, this guide will help streamline the process. I'll walk you through each step, ensuring you feel confident and informed as you set this up. First, let's start by logging into your n8n account. Open up your web browser and enter the URL for your n8n instance. Once there, you'll need your user credentials ready. Enter your email and password to access your account. If you haven't already registered with n8n, you'll want to do that first, as you'll need access to start setting up those credentials. Once logged in, head over to the Credentials section, which is usually found on the left-hand navigation menu. This is the area where you manage all the different integrations you use with n8n. We need to create new credentials specifically for LinkedIn, which is a straightforward process that requires just a bit of input on your end. Now let's proceed to create these credentials. You'll want to pay close attention here, as this is where you establish the link between LinkedIn and n8n. Begin by looking for a search bar or an option that allows you to search through all the available credential types. In this instance, type LinkedIn into the search bar. This filters out all other credentials, showing only the LinkedIn credentials you need. Once you see the LinkedIn option appear, click on it to proceed. This will prompt a connection process, which essentially bridges your LinkedIn account with n8n. It may seem complex at first, but just follow the instructions on screen. Clicking Connect will direct you to a LinkedIn login page. This is where you'll need to authenticate with LinkedIn, essentially giving n8n permission to access certain data from your LinkedIn profile. Enter your LinkedIn login details carefully, your email and password used for LinkedIn. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, be sure to have your authentication device ready to complete this step promptly. After you log into your LinkedIn profile, you may be prompted to authorize this connection. Make sure you agree to any permissions that n8n is requesting. It's important to understand what information you're allowing n8n to access. So if you're unsure about any permissions, take a moment to review them. And there you go. With these simple steps, you've successfully set up LinkedIn credentials within n8n. This connection allows you to leverage LinkedIn's powerful features directly from n8n, automating your workflows and expanding your ability to manage tasks seamlessly. If you encountered any issues or have further questions, feel free to reach out in the comments or check the n8n documentation for more detailed troubleshooting tips.